Hello everyone, I am Rakesh Pal. I welcome to everyone in my channel Asirwad English Gyan. So guys, without wasting your time, let's go ahead. In this video we are going to learn lesson 9, how to use can and can't. So let's come on part B, polite words and phrases. Word phrase please, usage when asking or requesting. Example, please help me. Thank you when I get something. For example, my father, he gifted me cycle. Then I can say thank you for the gift or thank you for the help. You are welcome when someone thanks me. Sorry, pardon me. When I make a mistake, sneeze, blow my nose, cough, etc., then I can say sorry, I came late. For example, as like if we are suffering from fever and we sneeze somewhere, then we can say sorry. Excuse me when I need to get someone's attention. Excuse me, I want to say something. Can, can't, you, he, she, it. Can't, cannot. Can you help me? Yes, of course. Can you keep me? If you have time, then you can say, can you help me? And if the person he has time, then he can say, yes, of course. Can you keep me company? Certainly. Can you wait a minute? Sorry, I can't. So in this video, we learned how to use can and can't. Let's move lesson 10, do does. Correct the following sentences. So here you can see it has written I can swim. So guys, here you can see it has written I can swimming. So I can swim, it will be the answer. It will not come. She can't ride a bike. Here S will be removed. Then it will become she can ride a bike. Can you to play cricket? No. Can you play cricket? To will not come. He not can speak English. He can not speak English. Can swim they fast? Can they swim fast? It will come first, it will come last. It will come in second. Complete the following using do or does. So here, do you have a pen? We will use do because we use do with I, you, we, they pronoun. Here we will use does. Does he have a brother? Does Ravi dance on stage? Do they know me? Do we have a holiday tomorrow? Answer the questions on your own. Do you clap after class? Answer, I do not clap after class. Do you sing like Lata Mangeshkar? No, I don't sing like Lata Mangeshkar. Do they help you? Yes, they help me. Do I earn $1,000,000? No, I don't earn. Do we learn together? Yes, we learn together. Can you clap after class? Yes. Can you sing like Lata Mangeshkar? No, I can't sing like Lata Mangeshkar. Can they help you? Yes, they can help me. Can I earn $1,000,000? No, I can't. Can we learn together? Yes, we can learn together. Complete the following usage do or did. Do you eat lunch every day? Answer, yes, I eat lunch every day. Do we go to market now or later? Yes, we go to market. Do they sing or dance? Yes, they sing. Do there is as like a little bit mistake. Did. Did you eat lunch today? No, I didn't eat lunch today. Did we go to market yesterday? Yes, we went market yesterday. Did they sing or dance? Yes, they danced. Did I get money for work? Yes, I got money for work. Here we have to rearrange the words to complete the sentence. Do have you pen A? So here we can write do you have a pen? Here we can write here you on the first number. You do not have. It will come on first, it will come second, third. Have selt. I don't know the answer. First, second, I don't know third, fourth, fifth. I don't have your letter. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Like this. In this lesson, may, must, might, we will learn how to use may, must, might. So, we use may for giving respect, as like we need our help and we talk our elders. For example, if I am asking to my father, mm, are you going to office, then I can say, for example, if I am asking a question like I am asking to question from my teacher, can I leave the class? So there I will use may I leave the class, because he is elder than me, and as well as whenever we give respect, then we use may. Must, when we need something, as like I must study. Might, in the cases of 30 to 40 percentage. May uses for 90 percentage, must uses for 50, and might uses for 30 percentage. Like you might like these applications. You can see it is written on the Play Store when you uninstall something. So partner A talk, how would Emmanuel be feeling on stage? I will feel confident. Here we have always videos, but I don't have, so you can watch over there. It has written FEA 14 videos. What would Emmanuel say if he found his brother mother? He maybe feel happy. If you could, would you change places with Emmanuel? Why? Yes, if he is a good person. So share with the class beginning your sentence with my partner said that Emmanuel would be feeling good. My partner said that Emmanuel would stay confident. My partner said that he would like to change place and Emmanuel because he can do. Now let's ask some question from me. So we can ask, here it is written, there is going a discussion between me and teacher. So me, may I come in? Ma'am. Teacher, yes, come in. So here we can ask some questions like, may I go to park? In the second, may I take one glass water? In the third one, may I watch movie? Like this, there is going a discussion. Let's learn how to use may. Excuse me, may I? So here, excuse me, may I come in, Miss Rita? So teacher will say, yes, you may. Me, may I ask a question? Yes, you may. So here student and teacher there is going discussion. Excuse me sir, here you can write as well as excuse me sir, may I ask a question? Excuse me ma'am, may Ravi leave from the class? Excuse me sir, may we go to park? Teacher, yes you may. Yes, you may ask a question. Yes, no he may not. He has not finished his work. You may go to park. Grandmother is in the garden and watching children play. Rajat, do not eat dirt. Javed, wear your shoes. Rita, listen to me. So guys, here lesson 12 consolidation. Make a list of FA rules using can, can't, do not, may not, must. So you can make some sentences like we must study. Like this you can make some sentences. In the next lesson 13 food. So here food, the first word is thread. A1 breakfast. So here a lot of students do mistake while saying breakfast. They say breakfast, but it is not breakfast, it is break and first. And we wrote this name because when we sleep in the night, then we wake up in the morning, and it is a long period, it is a long time of period, so that's why its name break and fast. So it is breakfast. Here you can see we eat in breakfast bread, jam, butter, eggs, milk, biscuit, tea, coffee, juice, cheese we use in breakfast. In lunch we take soup, salad, rice, chapati, vegetables, yogurt, water, ice cream, dessert. In dinner we take soup, burger, fries, pasta, sandwich, noodles, water, cake, dessert. B. Fruits: apple, orange, watermelon, mango, grapes, papaya, banana. Vegetables: carrot, garlic, potato, ginger, lime, tomato, peas, onion, cucumber, cauliflower, ladyfinger, okra. So I like, what is your as like favorite fruit? You can write your one favorite fruit and vegetable. For example, I like mango and ladyfinger. Here you can write which you don't like. So I don't like papaya, and in vegetable I don't like onion. My friend likes apple and potato. She doesn't like. Here you have to write which your friend don't like. So my friend don't like orange. Here you have to write he doesn't like orange and onion. Now we are going to learn lesson 14, hobbies. A hobby or pastime. So in this video we will learn what is hobby and what is pastime. So read, listen to music, play music, sing, dance, travel, watch TV, cook, play, cycle, talk, walk. So the hobbies are those things which is related to your goals. For example, I want to become a teacher, so I always read. It is my hobby, we can say. But if I am watching TV, then it is my pastime. So for example, if here the person he is reading, so maybe he want to become a teacher, so it is his hobby. But if he is listening music, so that is not his hobby. He is just passing his time. And for example, here it is also like listen to music. If the person he want to be a he want to become a singer, then it can be his hobby. But if he want to be something else and he is watching he is listening music, then it is his pastime. Play music, sing, dance, travel, watch TV, cook, play, cycle, talk, walk. Exercise. So here we have to write exercise. I like to study about engineering. I don't like to watch TV. My brother likes to play. My brother does not like to study. So read the passage and answer the questions. Tara and her friends plan to do something together in the evening when they are free. They cannot decide. Tara likes to sing but she hates football. All her friends like to watch movies but Jamal does not like to table tennis very much. Her friend Raju likes watching football on television but he also likes to sing and play badminton. Her friend Lena prefers to play table tennis but is happy to do other things as well. Here we have to give the answer, read and tick the correct box. So Jamal likes to play table tennis, so it is false. Both Tara and Raju like to sing, true. Everyone likes to play football, false. Lena likes to sing, true. Everyone like to watch movies, true. Survey questionnaire. Make paintings. Let's move on lesson 15. Seasons, weather. So in this video we will learn seasons, how many types of seasons. So there are 5 types of seasons: spring, summer, monsoon, autumn, fall, winter. So let's come on part 2, weather. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy, foggy. So there are 6 types of weather. Here we have to match column A, B, C and D. Season A, B, C, D. Clothing, feeling, weather, season. So here we have to summer. It goes to sunny, and sunny in the sunny we feel hot. Then we wear shorts. In autumn we feel falling leaves and we wear pleasant. In the spring we feel blooming and in monsoon raining, and in rainy we feel wet, and in wet we wear rainy coat. In blooming we feel cool, and in cool we wear sweater. Like this. Complete the sentence about the weather season. So it is winter season. It may little bit cool. It might raining. It must cool. My presentation, my favorite season. So my favorite season is winter. In winter season, when it is cool weather, I like to eat burger. I do not like to rice season because I cannot eat. My friend Rina likes winter season and does not like summer season. So we have completed 15th chapter. In the next video we will start from lesson 16, weather forecast.